Hello everyone. Today we will study about importance of project scheduling under the project planning and construction management. So we all know that the scheduling is the key feature of any project planning, and the project scheduling is a mechanism to communicate what tasks need to get done and which organizational resources will be allocated to complete the task within the time frame. So a project schedule is a document collecting all the work needed to drive or deliver the project on time. So first we have to understand what is project scheduling. A project is made up of many tasks, as each task is given a start and end, so it can be completed on time. Likewise, people have different schedules and their availability and vacation or leaves dates need to be documented in order to successfully plan those tasks. To organize and complete your project in timely, quality and financial responsible manner, you need to schedule project carefully. Effective project scheduling plays a crucial role in assuring project success. So to keep project on track, set realistic time frames, assign resources appropriately and manage quality to decrease product errors. This typically results in reduced cost and increased customer satisfaction. So important factor includes financial, documentation, management and quality assurance. Here we can understand the importance of project scheduling by some key features which are mostly used in construction planning and management, that is financial, documentation, management and quality. Now what is financial? Project scheduling impact the overall finance of the project. Time constraints require project manager to schedule resource effectively. It means this is particularly true when resource must have highly specialized skill and knowledge in the order to complete a task, or when costly material are required. Completing a project in a short time frame typically costs more because additional resource or expedited material are needed. So with accurate project scheduling, realistic estimates and accurate projections prevent last minute orders that drive up cost. Now what is documentation? So creating a comprehensive work breakdown structure allows you to create a chart such as Gantt chart. We have already studied little about Gantt chart in our previous video. So Gantt chart lists the project task, shows dependency and define milestones. So management consultant Henry Gantt designed this type of chart to show a graphic schedule of planned work. Its role in business project is to record and report progress towards project completion. So your project schedule also allows you to assign human resource to the work and evaluate their allocation to ensure you have the appropriate levels of utilization. So you may also develop a program evaluation and review technique chart or PERT chart. We can also say it PERT chart to help you analyze the project task. This is an important point for project scheduling, that is management. So effective project manager conduct regular meeting to get the status reports. They use project scheduling meetings to check in with their team members and prevent costly misunderstandings. So these regular meetings ensure that work flows from one process to the next and that each team member knows that he needs to contribute the project's overall success. The last one is quality. We all know that quality plays important role in every construction project to maintain the required specification of the project. So project scheduling ensure one task gets completed in a quality manner before the next task in the progress begins. By assuring that quality measures meet expectation at every step of the way, you ensure that managers and team members address problem as they arise and don't wait until the end. So no major issue should appear upon completion because you have stabilized quality controls from the very beginning of the scheduling progress or process. So effective project managers understand that ensuring quality control involve managing risk and exploiting opportunities to speed up the schedule when possible to beat the competition and achieve or maintain a competitive edge with a more reliable product. There are different type of project management software we can use which are available on online. So online project management software allows the project manager to track project schedules, resources, budget and project related assets in the real time. The project schedule can be viewed and updated by team members associated with the project, keeping everyone well informed on the overall project status. So we can also use the different type of online project management software to make easy our project. Okay, so thanks for watching this video.